Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a step-by-step guide on how to add a stunning skybox in Unity. So, let's dive right in! The first thing we need to do is download a panoramic image. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a link in the description below. Make sure to choose an image of high quality, as it directly affects the final look of your skybox. Once you've downloaded the image, it's time to import it into Unity. Simply locate the file and import it into your project. Now, let's create a material for our skybox. To do this, right-click in the project window, select Create, and choose Material. You can give it any name you prefer, like Skybox. Next, click on the material file you just created to open it in the inspector window. We need to make a couple of changes here. First, change the shader from Standard to Skybox. Then, select the Panoramic option. Now, it's time to apply our panoramic image to the material. Simply drag and drop the downloaded image onto the spherical HDR field. Lastly, let's add the skybox material to our scene. Open the scene window, locate the skybox material in the project window, and drag it onto the scene. And there you have it! You've successfully added a skybox to your Unity project. Now you can enjoy a breathtaking virtual environment. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.